All right, welcome to this explainer. Today, we are diving deep into Case Shokla's eye-opening book, AI Cashflow. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly are people making real, actual money with artificial intelligence, while everyone else is just, kind of playing around with it? Well, you are in the right place. We're going to visually unpack the exact blueprints and tools you need to build a true 24/7 money machine. So, let me ask you, are you ready to join the AI gold rush? Look, whenever a huge disruptive tech drops, fear usually falls right behind it, right? We've all heard the myth that AI is going to take all of our jobs. But the actual reality, AI is literally the ultimate productivity enhancer. It is absolutely not a job killer. It is a massive, massive opportunity for those who jump in early. $5,000 a month. That's a serious chunk of change, right? And this isn't just theory. This is the real story of a guy named John, which is detailed right in our source material. Now, John was a total beginner. He had very limited time, but he realized pretty quickly that he didn't need to write every single word from scratch. So what did he do? He used AI to generate high-quality blog posts, offered his services on Upwork, and literally scaled to $5,000 a month in just 6 months. No way, right? But it's true. So here is our blueprint for this explainer. We're going to cover mastering the basics, specific monetization strategies, hyperautomation, and finally, a concrete 30-day launch plan to get you moving. All right, let's start right at the foundation with Core Section 1, Mastering ChatGPT Basics. First things first, you absolutely do not need to be a programmer or a tech whiz to do this. You really just need to know how to give good instructions. I want you to think of ChatGPT as your ultimate digital assistant. It never sleeps, it needs zero coffee breaks, and the best part, it demands no salary. From drafting up marketing emails to handling everyday customer support, this is essentially the brain of your brand new operation. Now, the real secret to unlocking this assistant is something called prompt engineering. See, if you give a weak prompt, like, just saying, write an article about fitness, it's going to spit out generic, unusable fluff. But a strong prompt, something like write a 1,000-word beginner's guide to home workouts including warm-ups and bodyweight exercises. See the difference? Specific context and knowing your audience dictate the quality of what you get. Simply put, better instructions equal a monetizable product. But here's the thing. ChatGPT is just the brain. To really build a business, you need a nervous system. Enter tools like Zapier, which connects your AI to literally over 5,000 everyday apps. Need visuals? Boom! Canva AI instantly generates stunning graphics for you. You can organize it all with Airtable and manage the whole project in Notion AI. When you put them together, these tools create a seamless system that grinds for you around the clock. Moving right along to Course Section 2, Monetization Strategies. So how do we actually turn all this cool tech into real cash flow? Well, the blueprint outlines two primary paths. The first path is passive income streams. Now, these do require some heavy lifting up front, but once they're established, they generate income while you sleep. The second path is service-based side hustles. With these, you're actively trading your time for money. Sure, but AI dramatically amplifies your output, meaning you earn a whole lot more in a lot less time. Let's dive into that passive route first. Think about this. You could use AI to write entire manuscripts and publish them as Amazon KDP eBooks. You could build automated content agencies. Or, get this, you can construct customized AI chatbots and actually charge local businesses a monthly fee to handle their 24/7 customer service. You could even use AI image generators for print-on-demand stores. The best part? You hold absolutely zero inventory, and the AI does the heavy lifting. It's brilliant. Now, for the service-based hustlers out there, AI is a massive multiplier. I mean, freelance writers using tools like Jasper can literally 10x their output. 10 times! If you run a YouTube channel, AI can automate your titles, your scripts, even your SEO. In marketing, AI instantly generates high-converting ad copy. The secret sauce here is that you're offering a premium service to clients, but the AI is quietly in the background doing like 80% of the actual manual labor. All right, next up is Core Section 3, Hyper-Automation and Scaling. Okay, so to grow without burning yourself out, you really need to leverage no-code automation platforms like Make.com or Bubble.io. I want you to imagine this scenario. A customer emails you at 3 a.m. Instead of waiting until morning, a tool like Zapier catches it. ChatGPT instantly drafts a personalized response based on your specific business data and fires it right back, all while you are completely sound asleep. Social media, email marketing, data entry, all automated with zero coding required.
But I've got to give you a critical warning straight from our source here. Over-reliance on AI, that's a one-way ticket to uninspired, generic garbage. Let's be real. AI brings the efficiency and the heavy data processing, sure. But you bring the magic. Your role is the emotional intelligence, the storytelling, and your unique brand voice. Think of AI as your super fast intern. Definitely not your replacement. You always have to review, edit, and inject your authentic human touch.
Finally, we reach core section 4, the 30-day AI business launch plan. All right, here is the exact roadmap from the book to turn a $100 investment into a $10K month business. Ready? Week 1 is all about market research and setup. You've got to pick your niche. Then, week 2 is content and leads. Here, you use AI to build visibility on platforms like LinkedIn and start doing cold outreach. Week 3, secure those first sales. You can offer discounted projects just to get some solid testimonials. And finally, week 4, automation and expansion. This is where you bring in those tools we talked about, like Make.com, to automate tasks and start scaling your prices. It's focused, it's aggressive, and it is 100% achievable. The book leaves us with this super powerful truth. The future is AI plus human expertise. Look, AI is definitely here to stay, and for sure it's going to disrupt industries. But it's the entrepreneurs who pair that crazy machine efficiency with actual human strategy who are going to outlast the hype. The blueprint is right in front of you. So the real question isn't whether AI is going to change the world. We know it will. The question is, will you be the one competing against the machine, or will you be the one directing it?